Hello and welcome to this new video in which I'm going to show you an OpenScholar AI platform. It's a free platform that will allow you to access computer science papers, engineering papers, and a lot of other papers that can benefit you as a researcher, whether you are doing a master or a PhD. And what you need to do is simply to go to openscholar.allen.ai, and once you are inside the website, this is the search engine for the research. What you need to do is find a paper on a topic, like let's say floating solar panel, which is my research topic. Now, once you press enter, it will start retrieve the top relevant paper, and it will start gather a lot of papers, a lot of resources. And this is not like ChatGPT or any other, let's say, general AI search engine. This is a scientific search engine. So as you can see, a paper on the topic of floating solar panel is this experimental modeling. So it's mentioning the paper, it's mentioning the topic of that paper and the year, as you can see, 2021, 2021, 2023. So, and here we have all the references. Now, what you need to do next is visit the platform and start searching. Check the link in the description. And another platform that I like, but it's not dedicated for, let's say, research. There is a platform called ScholarAI.io. This one is dedicated for research, but it's a paid platform. So this is why I didn't mention it at first. It will give you 5 one-time credits and 3 terabyte uploaded to Copilot. So you can upload up to 3 terabyte of data, and you only have 5 one-time credits. So you can search like 5 times with the free account that you can create on this ScholarAI.io platform. It gives you similar results to the OpenScholar platform, but maybe this is, since it's paid, it will give you more results. And the third platform that I recommend is Perplexity.ai, which is again another platform. It's like a search engine that uses AI. And with the free version, you can enable the Pro right here on the right, and simply find papers that are recent and about, let's say, so floating solar panel. Press enter while enabling the Pro. You are allowed to do 3 Pro searches for free every day. And as you can see, again, it's finding you a lot of results, and this will help a lot in the research. If you are writing your thesis for master or PhD, just write the paragraph that you want a research paper around, and it will give you that in less than 10 seconds. Thanks for watching. This is Ashraf from Education Engineering Team. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check the links in the description in case you need help with anything.